Hello, it's Lee here from Fine and Country, and we're at 19 Chichester Park, Woolacombe. It's an amazing 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom detached family home with outstanding sea and coastal views. Take a look now. So welcome inside 19 Chichester Park, and the first thing that hits you in this magnificent room is that view, and that wall-to-wall glass really frames that view perfectly out over towards the golden sand surfing beaches, Baggy and Hartland Points and Lundy Island. Now on this floor we've got this superb room which is great for modern day family living. The kitchen has been newly fitted and comes with a range of built-in appliances, and the sitting area has been orientated to take full advantage of those amazing sea and coastal views. Also on this floor there's a very handy toilet, there's a utility room cum study, and there's an ensuite bedroom also with sea views. On the lower ground floor we've got 3 double bedrooms, one with an ensuite, and there's a family bathroom WC as well. So here we are outside. At the front of the property there's the garage and there's off-road parking for 2 or 3 cars. At the rear you've got this magnificent terrace which stretches along the whole of the width of the property and of course is orientated towards those magnificent sea and coastal views. It's a great place for an alfresco meal or evening drinks of course. A staircase leads down directly from the balcony into the garden and onto this large raised deck. Now the deck has got a hot tub, there's a summer house as well, so you can move around the garden to suit your mood. So there we are, that is 19 Chichester Park in Woolacombe, a really fabulous coastal property, perfect for modern day family living. Of course, these amazing views in behind me are the real highlight. So to come and view this property physically, please do call us on 01 271 869 112. Many thanks.